This is caramel.
It's caramel.
Yes.
And is it a secret recipe? Is
Well,
caramel or no?
I don't think there's a need to be so secretive.
Good.
There's a lot that goes into creating a chocolate company, more than just a recipe.
Yeah.
So we don't guard our secrets that closely.
You don't. Do you
Yeah.
have some secrets though, Daniel? And
No,
don't lie to me.
we probably
okay?
have a few. We probably have a few. Yeah. We've developed our caramel to work for us. 22 pounds of butter in every batch. We use
Is that the key?
3 gallons of cream.
Nice.
Yeah, that's definitely. You need to add a lot of fat to create this great experience. So sugar, fat, salt, it's all in there.
It's all good.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Good.
Okay, so this is Kaylee,
Hey, Kaylee.
another very important person.
Kaylee, what are you doing?
Right now, I am putting oil on the table so I can stick down some parchment paper and lay some bars on the table, and that's where we're going to pour the caramel.
So we make our candy on these big granite tables.
It's a big candy bar.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
This will make about almost 2,000 of our mini candy bars.
It's a big operation. Like
It is, yeah.
I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah, but I started in my apartment kitchen in Chicago. I relocated to Spooner in 2013, and we got our own room. And then 2019, we relocated to this much bigger building. And actually right now, 2024, we're in the midst of another expansion. This is the backbone of our business, this chocolate enrober. It enrobes or covers things in chocolate.
What's it called?
A chocolate enrober.
A chocolate enrober?
Enrober.
Okay.
Enrober, so imagine to enrobe.
This is vanilla marshmallow
Okay.
Yes.
and caramel.
Caramel.
And then it's, you enrobe it.
No, we got to cut it first.
That's what I meant. Okay.
Would you like to cut it?
Let me watch you. Bert. This is the cutting machine?
This is the cutting.
Oh, these are all really sharp, yes?
Yes. Okay. Just flip it up. So this is the length of our candy bar, and then we'll take it to that one, and it'll cut the width of the candy bar.
They're good. Oh, there we go. Yeah. They're the minis.
Those
Yes?
are the minis.
Yes.
Yeah, very good. And what are they called?
Cloud 9.
Cloud 9.
Vanilla marshmallow.
Now you enrobe.
Now we enrobe. This is the fun part. Come on over.
Okay.
So this is where we get our aggression out. On the back of the caramel is covered with chocolate, and sometimes they're stuck together. So
Okay.
like these ones came apart, but these ones are kind of stuck. Give them a little tap.
Wow.
Grab this.
Okay. Thank you.
Go ahead.
You did it well.
Give it a little.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta be forceful.
That's,
There you go.
look at that.
And then you're just gonna set them on that belt there, and we'll walk around the corner.
And is there this way or that way?
We want to go long ways.
Long ways. Thank you.
Yeah. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. And is there a oh, kind of on the
On the
I get it.
lines there,
On the lines. Thank you. We're enrobing. How are you?
Good.
Are you good? Can I get on this side? Do you mind? Okay.
Don't want to do a whole lot. You want to try not to get it all on the belt while you're doing it, because the salt we use is pretty expensive.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is, of course, gray sea salt. We use another one for our salted caramels called Florida Cell sea
Yeah.
salt. And that one's really expensive. That one's really fine granules.
Can I do one? Do you
Yeah.
mind?
Perfect.